Hi, my name's Nicole. I am an apprentice jeweler here at Walker Metalsmiths. I have been here for about 2.5 years. So I grew up in Houghton in a family who does gemstones. My dad's been doing business for Steve for probably 20 years or so. So I grew up in the industry. I knew I really wanted to be part of it somehow. I started working at Walker Metalsmiths in 22. That's when I graduated high school. It was a really good job to start off with. Steve and Jean were super welcoming as someone who had never had a full-time job. And from there, after about a 6-month internship trial, I accepted to be here full-time. I really enjoy making our frame pieces, so adding spirals and things, beaded detail. I really enjoy doing that. I also like doing our gemstone pendants. I've been getting more into cutting the stones for our gemstone pendants, so being able to do everything start to finish is really fun. Something else great about Walker Metalsmiths is when you come into our showroom, you can see each person's custom pieces and decide which jeweler's designs and styles you like best and who you'd like to work with. I'm Nicole, and thank you for getting to know me here at Walker Metalsmiths.